Hey there, welcome to the another video tutorial on VIM commands. In the previous video, you learned how to open a file using VIM, how to move cursor and how to save and exit from the editor. If you haven't seen that yet, please go and watch the link in the description box below. In this video, we will learn some more advanced commands for the operation like copy, paste, delete that will make your work very easy while working with VIM editor. So let's get started. So the first operation is copy. Let me open the file first. So in this file, suppose I want to copy a particular line. So put your cursor on that line and in the command mode, you need to press small y twice. So that will copy that particular line and save into VIM buffer. Here I am pasting that line from the buffer. So you can see that I copied that line successfully and pasted at the end of the file. Now I want to copy a line from the particular position. Suppose in this line I want to copy from here to the end of the line. So for that you need to go into command mode, press Y and $. So this will copy your line from the VR to the end. I'm pasting that line here. So you can check that that line is copied and pasted at the end of the file. So now I don't want to copy a whole line. I want to copy only one word. So simply you need to put into command mode Y and W. So I copied that Vim word and pasted here. So this will copy a particular word and save into the buffer. Now this is all about for copying a particular word or a line. Now suppose you want to copy a bunch of lines. Now I want 4 lines to copy from this line. So I am at line number 2 and I want to copy a 4 line from there. So simply in command mode, press 4 and Y. So here you can see that 4 lines are yanked. So and that yanked or copied lines are stored into the VIM buffer. So I can paste here that lines. So you can see that the 4 lines from here is copied and I pasted here. So this is all about for copying. Now suppose I want to delete something from the text file. So for deleting the line, you simply enter a command "D". So once you press "D", this will delete the current line where the cursor is. Now suppose I don't want to delete a whole line. I want to line from the word very. So you have to move their cursor and in the command mode just enter the command d and $. This will delete your line from where is your cursor. Now so I want only one word to delete. I don't want this word going. For that simply go into command mode and press DW. So this will delete your one word where the cursor is. Now so I don't want that previous word that called R. So for that you have to press the command like DB. This will delete your previous word from where the cursor is. So the all deleted and copied command are stored into VIM buffer. So the next operation is paste. So all the paste commands can be used after the delete or yank to recover the lines. As I said, after all the deletion and yanking, the whole data is stored into VIM buffer. So simply for pasting, you have to go into command mode and press P. This will paste the most recent change or the most recent deleted data or copied data from your buffer. Now suppose I have this line key, I copied that, I want to paste that so keep watching line below the line from my cursor is. So for that you have to press small p. If you press capital P, this will paste your line above the. So that is for pasting. Now suppose you don't want that changes and you want to undo that all changes. So for that, go into command mode, press small u. This will undo your last changes. Now suppose I deleted this line and I want to restore that line. So for that I have to enter capital U. This will restore your whole line. Now the next command is for joining the next line to the current line. Now suppose you want to join this line, this I am sure line with this current line. So simply go into the command mode and press capital J. This will join your two lines. So this is all about copying, deleting and pasting the data from the line. Now suppose you want to repeat the previous command. At that time you need to simply enter dot. This will repeat your previous command. Now I want to replace one word. Suppose I want to replace that word. So press small r. This will replace your word. Now if you want to go into replace mode, then go into the command mode and press capital R. So from here, whatever I try to write, it will automatically get replaced. To exit from this mode, you have to press escape. Now suppose you want to search a specific letter or word into a file. So for that, go into command mode and enter the command :/ and your word. I want to search tutorial. Now you can see that we can able to search the tutorial word in the forward direction. Now we will see how to search and replace the character or the word into the file. So for that you have to go into command mode, press : then %s. This will search your word. Now so I want to search a going word and want to replace that word with capital going. So the first is search, then I want to search that small going and then I want to replace that small going into capital going. After that / and GC. Here C will ask for the confirmation while updating the word. So press yes. Now suppose you don't want to ask any confirmation, then simply put : %s going to going, want to change to going and only G. This will replace your capital going to the small going without confirmation. You can see the changes here. So that's it for this video. If you have any queries, you can ask me into the comment box. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.